This tutorial is brought to you by PE Prep Engine. Free study guides and practice questions at peprepengine.com.
PE Mechanical Machine Design and Materials, Week 5, an 11-video course on mechanical components and assemblies. The pieces a machine is built from: pressure vessels, springs, vibrating systems, mechanisms, and motors, with each formula indexed to the exact handbook section and page you'll look up on exam day. Weeks 1 through 4 covered how a part carries load, how parts connect, and how power moves. Week 5 is the components a machine is built from: pressure vessels and piping that hold force, springs that store it, vibrating systems that respond to it, beams, trusses and frames that carry it, mechanisms that move it, and the motors that drive it. This is Area 5, 16 to 24 of the 80, the single biggest area on the exam. Every video follows the same 4 beats: concept, setup, solve, traps. And whenever you see a formula, look for the yellow pill. It's the exact section and page in the NCEES Handbook 2.0. A few relations aren't in the handbook. We'll flag those and tell you to commit them to memory. On exam day, fast handbook navigation is the whole game. Let's start. Topic 1 is pressure vessels, hoop and longitudinal stress, thin wall versus thick wall, and the Lemay equations. PE Prep Engine, free exam prep, built by a practicing engineer. If the course helps you, subscribe. That's the only ask.